Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock splash action from Vernal Prayers event in Heartopia for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Heartopia has just released this event, Vernal Prayers, and in this event, you will be able to get new actions for free. Just go to the event menu and you can click on this action and the action will be automatically claimed for free. The first one is the splash gently action and the second one is the splash heart. And I'm going to show you how the actions looks like. I'm going to open up my action and this is the splash gently and splash heart. Okay, oh, it's cool. And okay guys, that's how you can unlock new splash actions from the Vernal Prayers event in Heartopia. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!